Make a great choice today with the 2021 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, compass, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.